Hi, I am Jeannie. In this video, I explore another food, seeds, and its health benefits. Carom seeds. Carom seeds are considered as a spice, and having use in daily cooking. It has a lot of health benefits. Let's start without wasting time. Number 1. Use after meal to ease digestion. Many people take medicines after meal for digestion of food. Regular use of medicines must have side effects on your health, which accelerates other diseases, and finally, you have to face all. I suggest to take carom seeds after meal. No side effects, it is natural. It is an excellent digestive, treats abdominal discomfort and burning sensation. Number 2. Instant relief from acidity. Nothing disrupts our daily routine more than an upset stomach. It helps in digestive functions by facilitating the release of gastric juices. It decreases acidity by neutralizing it with producing juices. 1 spoon of carom seeds powder, ½ spoon of ginger powder and 1 spoon of cumin seeds powder. Take this mixture daily to cure acidity, heartburn and other stomach problems. It is very effective. Number 3. To treat infections. Thymol in carom seeds acts as a strong fungicide and germicide. Carom seeds oil or crushed seeds can be applied on wounds or skin cuts to cure from infections. It is a very good anti-infectious home medicine. Number 4. To ward off mosquitoes. You can always make an effective repellent to ward off mosquitoes from home. Mix carom seeds with mustard oil and apply on cardboard pieces, which you can tie in the corners of your rooms, to get rid of mosquitoes. Your home will be pleasant scented, unlike fumes of burning coils. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to like and share it, and subscribe it for latest videos.